Cold weather means it's time for insulation. Charlie's team laid down foam panels before pouring the concrete garage floor. The basement will be living space. Charlie has another trick for insulating that space.
They want this to be really a finished basement, so when we frame these, we keep it about 1 inch off the wall, so the foam goes right behind it.
Look at you right there. Okay, so no thermal bridging. I like that.
Perfect.
All right, well, I know they're ready to spray because I heard that truck going.
Yeah, we have to get out of here.
Hey, Adam. Nice to meet you.
Kevin, how you doing?
I'm doing all right. Thanks for helping us out today with this. So we don't often see the back of the truck, but we sort of get the idea, right? This A part, B part, and mix. But you have brought us a new formula?
Yeah. So recently, a lot of states across the country have adopted a new legislation that requires a brand new blowing agent.
And so what exactly does the blowing agent do for us?
It actually creates the cells.
Yes.
So it's the part of the chemistry that actually makes those cells.
And close those cells, because they're closed, it gives us a higher R value.
Exactly right.
And so the blowing agent was sort of the problematic part of the foam in the past, right? Because it had environmental impacts?
That's correct, yeah. So the impact was in the global warming potential.
Okay. And what about cost? Do we pay a premium?
Well, it's tough to say right now with material constrictions and supply restraints, but there's a slight premium, absolutely.
Okay. Do we lose any of the performance?
No. The good news here is application basically the same. Parameters. These guys, if they've been spraying for a while, they're not going to miss a beat.
Well, as you say, if the guys have been doing it for a while, your guys have, and so those guys are really good. Most people don't appreciate that they're real skilled technicians.
No, you're absolutely right. They're worth their weight in gold.
So we just heard from Charlie how he set our stud wall off of the foundation. You guys like that detail?
Yeah, we love that. I mean, it's one of the more effective places to use spray foam in our opinion in Climate Zone 5, where we are with a lot of finished basements. That inch separation really allows for closed cell spray foam to shine. Its characteristics at 1 inch, it gives you both a type 2 vapor barrier as well as an air barrier. And it allows it to be a continuous insulation behind the wood frame wall.
All right, well, he's moving along. He's getting to the end there. So good information. Appreciate the help.
My pleasure, Kevin.
Thanks, Adam. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.